Wednesday marked 1 year since Christus Spawn Shoreline in Corpus Christi received their first shipment of the COVID-19 vaccine. So how far have we come since? Let's look at some numbers. 70% of our state's population has gotten at least one dose. That includes children 5 and up. In Nueces County, that number dips to 66% vaccinated with at least one dose. The City-County Public Health District has administered over 187,000 vaccines so far. Today marks 1 year since vaccinations were administered here in the Coastal Bend, and one of the first people to receive the vaccine at Christus Spawn Shoreline was Dr. Osbert Blow, president of Christus Spawn Health System. And here to talk more about his experience and where the county currently stands is Dr. Blow. Dr. Blow, good morning. Thank you so much for being with us this morning.
Good morning. Thanks for having me. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. It's good to see you. So how does it...
Good to see you too.
Thank you.
Good to be seen.
Good to be seen as well. So how does it feel being one of the first in the county to get the COVID shot?
Well, actually, it feels great. And as you were talking about that, and I've been in anticipation of this moment, really have been reflecting on the past year. And I have to say that, when we rewind the clock back to that first dose, it was really highly politicized. There was a lot of concern around it, from a family standpoint, from a healthcare delivery standpoint, from a leader of healthcare system standpoint. There was a tremendous amount that went into the decision to have this vaccine, especially being among the first of many who really had faith that this would work. And at that time, it really was based on science and faith. And, I'm happy to say that a year later, really happy about the decision. I walk around, make sure we have this little card here, very proud of this, that shows the first vaccine, second dose, and also the booster. I'm also really even more proud of our amazing pharmacy and nursing team that at Spawn, we have been able to, since that first dose, deliver over 125,000 of these vaccines to our community. To date, we've vaccinated more than 116,000 adults, almost 3,000 children, and distributed more than 7,000 boosters. And our associates are walking the talk. Latest update, nearly 80% of our associates at Spawn have chosen to be fully vaccinated. And I want to underline that, have chosen. We do not mandate that. And 2% are partially vaccinated. Only 6% for religious reasons or objection have declined the vaccine. So we're looking at a potential 94% vaccination rate among our associates. And I think that is a tremendous testimony to the amazing commitment our associates, who are truly our heroes and have been during these pandemics, is demonstrating.
Definitely have been heroes. Dr. Blow, going forward, do you see our current situation being the new normal? Do you see going back to the normal we knew before even possible?
No, I think normal is going to be redefined for us. To be honest, I think we're going to have some kind of leveling off. We are all very hopeful that this will just become very much like a maintenance vaccination, like with the flu. There's no doubt that being vaccinated offers you protection from hospitalization and, really, how can I say it? That second surge, 92+% of those patients in the hospital, Barbie, were non-vaccinated. That mortality was in the non-vaccinated for the most part. So I think clearly that second round has communicated that there is truly some protection offered with vaccination. I think as we move forward, we see more and more people. I know earlier in the show, I heard that there's more boosters and there's been an uptick in requests for those. So that's very encouraging. As a community, we need to have that herd immunity. We talk about that concept all the time. And I think once we achieve that and we get to a steady state, and God willing, there aren't any more surprises with mutations and more variants, we should see ourselves back to a normal situation as redefined by COVID.
Thank you so much, Dr. Blow, for being with us this morning. We appreciate your time. We appreciate you getting up early and being with us this morning. And please tell your wife and little girl I said hello.
Oh, yes, I will. Merry Christmas to you and everybody there and your family. And thank you very much for everything you do to keep our community updated.
Thank you for all you do. And of course, all of your wonderful staff there at Christmas Bond. We appreciate all of you. Thank you so much.